Project ARA. This Google project is a modular smartphone with a muscle frame, display, a keyboard, and additional battery modules. Depending on the preferences, each user can add modules he or she needs. It's noteworthy that the developers offer standard devices, such as a camera or a speaker, but also more unusual modules like night vision cameras and various medical devices. Unfortunately, this project is still in development, so the price is unknown.
ZTE Hawkeye. This smartphone features a 5.2-inch Full HD display, a back-facing digital camera with zoom, a fingerprint scanner, and a strong fast-charging battery. The main features of this device are the tracking technology used by the cameras and sensors, allowing the user to control the smartphone without touching the screen. For example, flipping pages or browsing photos, with the use of a movement that is very convenient, and it can also be attached to any vertical surface, with the help of a special cover. This device will cost you $200. SCiO Inside. This smartphone has a molecular sensor that scans objects and determines their main characteristics, such as the main material. It can also measure fat levels and identify forgery. For example, it can determine the quality of your steak or the sweetness of your favorite fruit. A smartphone app can also distinguish real materials from fake ones, such as precious metals and medicines. Aside from the molecular scanner, this future smartphone costs $400, and features an 8-core processor, a 6-inch Full HD display, a strong battery, and a 16-megapixel camera.
Cat S60. According to the inventors, this is the world's first smartphone with a built-in thermovision camera, which allows you to detect heat leakage in rooms and overheating electrical wiring, as well as measure the temperature of various objects and see in the dark with smoke. The thermovision camera has a range of up to 100 feet and can take pictures, but that's not the only remarkable aspect of this device. Its resistance is another obvious benefit, because to its strong metal frame and protective glass, the smartphone can withstand a fall from a height of up to 7 feet. It is also waterproof, so you can leave it at a depth of 16 feet for an hour, and it will not be damaged. The gadget price is $600. Flip phone. Ulrich Larsen, a designer, built a phone with 3 screens that can work independently when using different programs. According to the developer, this innovative design allows this phone to be a compact book stand for viewing photos or videos, or a desktop alarm clock if the smartphone screens are unfolded as a keyboard. In addition, the 3 screens may be utilized for files, images, graphics, and text editors. According to the designer, the phone's applications are limitless. The flexible screen is protected by an unique glass, and the case is constructed of aluminum. This phone costs $1,999.
Jelly. This new smartphone was designed for those who appreciate compact devices. Its designers say that it is the world's smallest 4G smartphone. Because it is impossible to watch movies or play games on the Jelly, it does not have the technical specifications to do so. Instead, it has a quad-core 1.1 GHz processor, 1 GB of RAM, a built-in 8 GB drive with expansion capacity. An 8-megapixel main and 2-megapixel front camera, 2 SIM slots, GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This device is suitable as a second phone for texting. This gadget costs $70.
Lumigon T3. This device features a 4-megapixel camera with 2 infrared LEDs. This smartphone also contains a special action key that you can use to program the launch of a specific function or application, allowing you to capture images even in complete darkness. According to the inventors, this device may be used as a universal control panel for household appliances. Its body is made of stainless steel and fiberglass. This device is moisture and also waterproof. The Lumigon T3 costs $920. The SONY Xperia XZ1. This amazing device is a little but surprisingly powerful device. Its major features include a 19-megapixel camera and a built-in memory chip that holds a large amount of data and allows you to capture slow-motion videos at 960 frames per second. Furthermore, this device produces excellent recordings, even in the most noisy places. As a concept, this device includes a 3D Creator app that uses the camera to scan faces and objects, allowing you to create 3-dimensional photos that you can share on social media or print on a 3D printer. This device costs you $650.
ZenFone AR. According to the developer, this is the first smartphone in the world to combine Tango and Daydream technologies. The first contains a combination of sensors and Google computer vision software that lets you to engage with augmented reality software, such as games and indoor navigation. Daydream, on the other hand, is a mobile virtual reality platform. It's also worth noting that this is one of the first smartphones with 8 GB of RAM. It costs around $890.
Please subscribe our channel and push that bell icon for latest inventions in the different fields of science and technology. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming amazing content. Be safe.